To remove Vizard AI watermark, which is this one, so made with Vizard AI, when you click on export and you click on this arrow or hover over it, you can see there is an option to remove watermark. You can tap on that. You can sign up with Google. Go ahead and sign up from Google. Pick on your Google account. Once you pick on Google account, tap on continue. Once you type on continue, will be signed up like this. Now you can see it has been signed up. You can see on the top right here. Now on remove watermark, now you will be prompted to, of course, buy something. You can see there's monthly or there's yearly, and you can buy something here. So there'll be no watermark. So the legit way for you to remove the watermark from Vizard AI is, of course, to buy. It's around $30 per month. And if you are a creator who use this tool a lot, I'd say it's worth it because $30 per month, you can generate a lot of clips in like high section. Okay, I think it's pretty worth it. There are not legit methods out there like watermark removal, but those just are jumping hoops. Usually you need to pay for watermark removals as well, and it usually doesn't end up that good either. So if you want to remove the watermark, you can press on this button, remove watermark, and then subscribe here. And then you can get around 174 PILG yearly. It's pretty okay in my opinion. And you can save 50% off. And then you can export with no watermark, and you can export it in 4K as well.